Universal AI University. It is India's first AI, Artificial Intelligence University, located at Mumbai. Today they have organized in association with Prolans Educators Meet Kolkata Chapter 2024, and the theme Chalkboard to Chatbot. And the one who can brief us about AI is Vani. Vani, madam. Please, madam.
A very good evening to everyone, all the viewers. First of all, thank you so much to you, sir, and to the entire educators in the West Bengal for coming over today. So, about Universal AI University, we are India's first AI university, located in 1 hour away from Mumbai. It's in a valley. It's a fully residential university, 40 acres. Where we have all our programs. So we have different programs. We have engineering. Within that, we have BTech, CS, AI and ML. Then we have a very unique age course, which is BTech in sound engineering for music aspirants. Then for management aspirants, we have BBA with AI. Someone who wants to study psychology, we have psychology with AI. And then someone who wants to study design, all the creative minds, we have design in multiple specialization. And for every school, we have partnered with either a corporate or a global level university. We have partnerships with LTI Mindtree, with Sound Ideas Academy in Bombay, and Rupika, which is #2 university in the world for animation. One unique thing which we have about our university is that all our programs are embedded with AI. So we are all talking about AI, and here you are. You can be a student at our university and learn everything about AI tools and techniques with the first Indian university to have an American VC from MIT, US. Then also this is the only university in India where we have 60 CEOs on our board and a beautiful 40-acre campus. So those who are interested to make your careers in a new age technology world and to study with a learning, a very different learning methodology, which is based on experiential learning, case studies, live projects. So this is the place where you can come in, and today has been great here at West in Calcutta. We had around 25-30 educators from Nasik to Mumbai to Delhi to local people here from Calcutta.
And also from Assam.
Yes, also from Assam. We had educators flying all the way from Assam, and it was pleasure to be here and telling them about what AI is. So we say, those who know AI will take away the jobs of those who know AI. So make use of it and enjoy your life. Thank you so much.
Fantastic. Vani, madam, your designation in this university, and if you can kindly name a few other officials of this university.
Okay, so our chancellor is Mr. Tarun Anand. He's a TEDx speaker as well, and he's the only, Universal AI University's chancellor. He's the only chancellor who's been a global CEO. He has a background, where he has represented Thomson Reuters. He was MD and he was the youngest MD of Thomson Reuters, and he has lived his life in London, New York, and Hong Kong. That's when he came back in 2009 and established this school. So we've been there since 2009, and we established our university last year. Then coming to our Vice Chancellor, we have Dr. Simon Mack, who's a Vice Chancellor. So again, this is the first university in India where we have an American Vice Chancellor, and he comes across with a vast experience from AI, ML, blockchain. He's run entrepreneurs and businesses in blockchain, and he's bringing a lot of value from the global Western world to India. And this is his first time in India.
And Simon sir also nicely addressed the audience through you today online. It was a very fantastic session with him, with you coordinating the entire one. And you are... your designation, madam?
I head the communications and marketing here, yes.
Fantastic. That's a very AI personified Vani Khanna, madam, with us. And today, Vani ji has also partnered with Prolans Finishing School to present a lovely session. If you can introduce Dr. Shanuli Ray, madam, educationist, founder of Prolans.
Good evening to all, and it's a pleasure for organizing this session in collaboration with Universal AI University, which is from Mumbai. And I'm the founder and director of Prolans. Actually, Prolans will be working in collaboration with AI Universal University, where in future we will be organizing such kind of joint seminars or career fair or some kind of things. And as Vani ma'am mentioned, that they are providing various kind of programs in their institute. In line with that, Prolans is collaborating with some industry leaders to provide internship. Once if the students who join in AI Universal University and they require internship, especially from Eastern Indian part, I am collaborating with some of the industry leaders to provide them with such kind of internship. So that is how we will be signing a MOU on all these things, and I'm looking forward to many more joint ventures in Eastern India
With Universal University.
University. Thank you all.
So both of you are very happy with this partnership.
Absolutely, yes. It's an honor to meet ma'am and all the educators here, and I'm sure we both the ladies will do some great work in the whole education sector. Yes.
Don't forget the men.
Oh, absolutely, yes. You are our backbone, sir. Yes, you are the
Jokes
backbone.
apart, Tarun Anand sir is the chancellor of this wonderful university, Universal AI University. For the first time, India has AI in its real firepower. Today, chalkboard to chatbot, coordinated by these two wonderful ladies, Vani Khanna madam and Dr. Shanuli Ray. Of course, Prolans, the finishing school, is the associate partner of today's program. Their offerings: educational consultancy, career guidance, skill development programs, finishing school courses, leadership training, global certifications, and AI Universal University. The future is here, right? The future is here. AI Amazing University. Amazing, so it is now AI Amazing. Amazing is now AI. First Indian university with an American VC. Like Vani madam said, Dr.
Simon Mack.
Dr. Simon Mack. High-tech quantum computing endorsed by 60 global CEOs, like Vani madam already has mentioned. 80% experiential learning pedagogy. Sprawling 40-acre residential campus in Karjat, Mumbai, around 1 hour from Mumbai, like Vani madam has mentioned. Madam, if you can kindly mention of any course fees, do you like to mention that?
So basically we have 5 different schools. Someone who wants to study engineering, for them we have BTech CS in AI and ML and data science. And for our engineering program, we have partnership with L&T Mindtree. L&T Mindtree is the 5th largest tech company in India. In fact, another advantage which our engineering students can get, that in their 8th semester, which is in the 4th year, they can actually, do a 6 months on the job training. So unlike any engineer who would actually graduate after 4 years and will start working after 4.5 years, our students will start working after 3.5 years. So that's a very big advantage for all our students. Then someone who's passionate about school, music and sound, we have BTech in Sound Engineering and BA in Music and Audio Production in collaboration with Sound Ideas Academy. And for that we have Sonu Nigam, Padma Shri Sonu Nigam on our board, and Padma Shri Sonu Nigam came even for our inauguration, and you can look at our Instagram pages and you will see the videos, where even Sonu Nigam mentioned that if I was a student, I would love to come back to the Universal AI University and start my own journey here. And he was telling about how music and AI are also getting in sync, which is better for the future.
Fantastic.
Then we have another school which is called School of Design, which is in partnership with Rubika. Rubika is world's #2 and France #1 university for animation. So someone who wants to be into the creative world can join our 4-year BDES program in multiple specializations, which is game art, game design, animation, product design, and transportation. And someone who wants to do a liberal arts course, which is again a very booming sector, and a lot of students are aspiring to get into a psychology. So for that we have a BSc honors with psychology. Again, this is embedded with AI, and we have multiple specializations within that as well. And for someone who wants to study management, we have a BBA in AI, and plus we have also launched a global BBA, which is missing out here. It's there on the website where you can study a BBA with AI, and for 2 months you can actually go to Europe and study 2 months there, earn a European credits and come back. So anyone who's looking for a fantastic life and do a great career in their lives, you can join this course. And we also help in placements. So it's just that you will do your 3-year and 4-year programs, and after that we will also help you in getting up a job. So you don't even have to worry for your future. Your future is secured with us, and I'm looking forward for students coming from West Bengal to our university. We already have a lot of students coming from this side of the world, and we look forward to many more students for our new courses. Thank you so much.
Fantastic. The future is not only here, the future is knocking at the door, and as she rightly mentioned, AI Universal University can secure our future. It is really time to get into this amazing university, Universal AI University. India's first AI university, is so proud to be a very small part in promoting this wonderful endeavor of India's first ever AI university. Thanks to Vani Khanna madam, thanks to Dr. Shanbire, Ashish Bashak live at this wonderful educational meet, educators meet. I once again utter the tagline, chalkboard to chatboard. Fantastic tagline, reimagining education for the AI era.
This is the actual campus. Yeah, this photo which we are seeing is the actual campus. So imagine you'll be studying in a valley, and even your hostels. This side you can see these are the hostels. So you're actually living your life in a valley, and I call this as a vacation house. So whenever I want to do a vacation, I actually go to the university. So imagine you can spend your 3 years and 4 years in a place like this, which can really bring a lot of away from pollution, away from traffic.
So AI hasn't forgotten nature.
Yes, absolutely. We are very close to nature. In fact, we are also India's first Be Green school.
Fantastic.
So 80% of the electricity which we consume is actually generated within the university. So if you see all these panels, these are all solar energy panels.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
It has been a wonderful learning process for the past few minutes. We have learned about AI, and of course in the end they have also given us information that very conscious about this energy conservation and also about our biological balance and ecological balance. Ashish Bashak live with Chalkboard to Chatboard seminar conducted by Universal AI University in tandem with Prolans today.
AI definitely is a subject which is emerging up in almost all areas of life. As you said, ma'am, you are in the field of legal education or law. Even in law also, AI has been helping a lot in making decisions and representing the cases. As well as in the field of medicine also. Because in almost all areas of life, AI is playing a major role nowadays, and in the coming days, it will have much more role than what we are seeing right now. Education comprises of various things. What we are getting nowadays is a formal education in our schools
Dr.
and colleges
Suresh
and
Kumar
universities.
Agarwal,
Besides that, we have vocational education, biology. We have technological education like AI, but there is another branch which is emotional education, which Madam Sauli is taking up. This is very, very essential part of our education. Education does not mean an accumulation of ideas and information in our human brain, which we are doing right
from the school days. So this is evident. Anyone go to Google and search about him, we will find. So this is my advice to you, my humble request to all of you. Please allow us to be the guest of your school, of your college,
Dr.
of your
Shanuli
university,
Ray, founder of
and
Prolans, thanks to
allow
her, we are
us
aligned
to
with
be aware about
AI
the children,
Universal
about the
University.
teacher. That is what is Indian Constitution all about.
It's an
What is
amazing
our rightful
university,
right and
AI
what is our
amazing
duty? Because
university. And
right
on the
and
stage
language
is
are
now
coexist.
Meeta Banerjee,
This is what I
eminent
know. I really
advocate,
don't know about
internationally
everything of
acclaimed
teaching,
lawyer.
but I know teachers are one who make a very ordinary student to a special one. I came across three teachers in my life: Mr. Rajkumar Kochari sir, Priyatosh Khan sir, Sheila Di, and in the last stage of my life, we are advocate, na? So we call ourselves learned. My husband, he's also my teacher, and every day he's scolding me that you are wasting your time on mobile. You are
In Landmark Initiative, Universal AI University, supported by Prolans, organize an educators meet at Hotel Park Prime, Kolkata on 8 December under the theme Chalkboard to Chatboard, Remaining Education for the AI era. This event united educators from Kolkata, others part of West Bengal, Nashik, Assam and Pune to explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing teaching and learning environments. The event elicited insightful decisions on leveraging AI tools to enhance classroom dynamics, personalized learning experience, and preparing students for an increasingly delightful future. The educator deliberated on the opportunities and challenges of adaptation while emphasizing the importance of preserving the human touch in teaching. Ms. Vani Vella, Head of Communications, and Mr. Shubhendu Shekhar Paul, Regional Head of Undergraduate Admission, represent Universal AI University at the event. Universal AI University officials and Prolans founder honored the educators for their contributors and shared valuable insights into the university's mission of pioneer AI-driven education in India. Some of the important personalities who graced the occasions including Padma Shri nominee Advocate Meeta Banerjee, United Nations invited speaker, Advocate Varun Rai, motivational healer, Dr. Suresh Agarwal, educationist Dr. Vivekananda Chakravarti, and Professor Sudipta Bhattacharya, artist Dr. Shekhar Oishwas, dance choreographer Indrani Ganguly, poet Lion Magnet Sangeeta Das, and social influencer Ashish Boswell, editor director of Allo Kolkata.